All right, I'm Josh from DPV, and I'm here with Brian Turpin from Spring Tools. I had the opportunity to talk with Brian down there at SEMA, and unfortunately we lost the audio. But what's cool is now I get to come here to the Spring Tools shop. We're gonna talk about this 1970 GMC Jimmy, built for the SEMA show, and it's pretty rad.
Yep, frame off restoration, has a 6.2 liter V8 with almost 500 horsepower, 2-inch lift kit, and we pretty much modernized everything in it.
One thing I really like about it are these hood scoops. Where did those come off
The
of?
Chevelle.
The Chevelle?
They're off of Chevelle hood scoops.
That is so cool.
Kind of unique. We tried to do some unique features on this build.
This thing, as you walk around it, you find out just how clean it is. Like every light bezel has been recessed, but it's just a subtle recess. Like
absolutely. You wouldn't know it unless you're looking for it.
Yeah, it's one of those things where you step back and you're like, man, there's something different about this Jimmy, and it's all those little details.
Got a 33, I think 1250s on it, 2-inch lift that I already told you. Everything's been upgraded, re-chromed, rebuilt. Got a new hood hinges, mirrors, door handles, window cranks, all that's just kind of give the modern clean look.
There's something special about the window cranks, right?
There is. It looks like regular window cranks like a 19 GMC Jimmy would have, but they are power windows. You just kind of push down on the handle and pull up on the handle and they go up and down.
That's pretty
awesome. And they're
awesome.
fast. Push button start. We got heated and cooled seats in this thing, front and back, and we opted for the safari top on this.
Yeah, the roll cage looks great and the top looks great. The interior is immaculate. I love all the stitch work in there and just the texture that you guys put into the seats.
Yeah, the texture and the color combination of all the stitching. Eric spent a lot of time kind of researching that, and he dialed it into exactly how he pictured in his head, and it turned out beautifully.
Yeah, it sure did. The exhaust on this thing is absolutely beautiful. Stainless, dual exhaust, and it sounds amazing.
Yeah, it's a blast to drive until you get in that seat and stomp on the throttle, and there's nothing like it. It's a truly unique rig.
Right, 470 horses is a decent amount. It's enough to set you back in your seat for
and
sure.
It's a smaller, lightweight truck.
It's like we got Fox shocks on there to control the ride.
Yep.
Shackle reversal on the front, so that's pretty cool. That softens it up a bit.
A lot of custom work on the fuel tank and the exhaust.
I like how the fuel cap is recessed into the bedside.
Kind of going with the same feature for all the tail lights and the side lights, recess everything.
Yeah. All the door gaps and everything are just perfect on this thing, which is not easy to do. Like
not on a rig like this. It took a lot of work, a lot of man hours into this.
Yeah, these door panels are great too.
Yeah, it's a good combo.
All the aluminum work, speaker grills, it's just like it's super clean. And you can't go wrong with BF Goodrich all-terrains, that's for
Absolutely
sure.
not.
So,
it's a good combination,
yeah.
GMC and the BF Goodrich.
These headlights look pretty amazing as well.
Yeah, they're LED halo headlights.
All right, so now we're gonna go check out the Spring Tools, right?
We're gonna go check out Spring Tools, springtools.com. Everything's made right here in Spokane Valley. We bring raw steel in and ship Spring Tools out.
Yeah, and they are the best center punches you can get. I've shown them on my videos time and time again, and like I didn't even know you guys had the bigger ones. I'm super excited to try those out because having just one hit to do a center punch is gonna be amazing.
Absolutely.
And you've got some other stuff we're gonna check out today too.
Precision center punches. And here we have Connie. Connie runs the entire operation.
All
Smile
right.
and say hi to 9 million people.
Hi.
Hi.
So this Connie's the office manager.
Okay.
And takes care of everything in here.
Cool.
A couple of the shop dogs.
Yeah.
The smelly shop dogs.
The smelly shop dogs. The salesman of the year sits in that seat right there. Hi, that's me.
All right.
Toot your own horn.
I did.
Do it.
We can kind of show you the whole process in this building. We've got a couple machines that looks like they're down right now, but we bring all our material in, just like we saw in the other machine.
Yeah.
Gets sent into the bar feeder.
Okay.
This is one of the machines that's open. So this is one of the tools that it has cut, and it still spits it out into this end. So those bars are making our #1 nail sets.
Okay.
So raw steel in, raw steel out, goes to the heat treater.
Okay.
When we bring it back, we have our builders over here. We're coming to you next. Colin's one of our lead guys. He's been around here for about 10 years.
Nice.
He's putting all the tools together. Colin also assists us with trade shows. I think you met Colin down in, in Las Vegas.
Yeah, I got your card, I think.
So,
Yeah. Cool.
so that's just putting all the tools together with a spring. These are our #1 32R12. Has 2 different size nail sets on either side.
Okay. That's cool.
So yeah, depending on what the orders are, these guys just
Yeah.
build to order. And then all our stock tools, these are all the buckets of the miscellaneous tools and the plungers that will actually drive the tool
Okay.
to make our marks. Then after Colin makes tools, and they come over here to Steven, and he puts our tools into these blister packs,
Okay.
depending on what tool it is. This is a double tool, so this is a double blister pack. It'll go with one of our backers. He loads the machine up, slides it in, and that seals the tools to the backers, and it's going to come out a finished product.
Nice.
And I think it takes about 7 seconds to cycle.
Okay.
You want to hold one of those up for him? And that's the finished product.
Right on.
So it goes from incoming steel over to the tool maker after it goes to the heat treater, and then packaged up, boxed up, and shipped out to our distributors.
That's awesome.
We have about 173 distributors across about 23 different countries.
That's awesome. All right here in Spokane
All
Valley.
right here out of Spokane Valley.
Yeah. That's awesome. Like, not many people do this.
No, we do it the
Like-
old-fashioned way.
Yeah, that's rad.
Just, and every step of the process, these guys take care of the quality control.
Yeah.
So it doesn't just get looked at as it's going out. It gets, as it's built, we take a look at them as they're coming off the machine. Colin does a quality control as he's building them, and Steven looks at them as he's putting it into the blister pack. So it's kind of a redundant quality control system we have.
That's very cool.
All right, our best seller is our Paint Pro Pack, which consists of these 2 tools. It's a nail set and a door hinge pin remover. Every painter needs these tools. If you ever have to take a door hinge pin out, set this under the hinge pin, pull back, drive your hinge pin out.
Nice.
You don't scrape up your trim, you don't do any damage to your swinging a hammer. Then if you have a nail sticking up, you set that end on the nail, pull back, and it drives the nail in.
Right on. I've never seen that door pin
Oh yeah,
removal. Oh my gosh. The
like-
amount of times that I've done it with a hammer and a nail.
Absolutely. And then you can take the other end and drive it right in. A
Oh,
lot of people
yeah.
just take a hammer and 16 penny nail or 8 penny nail and
Yeah.
try to get those hinge pins out. And
Oh, yeah.
it doesn't work all the time.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Another cool tool we have is our stamp ID kit. You take that, you can mark any type of material. Today we're just using diamond plating. If you can see the character, that's how it'll be displayed to you. Set that on your material, pull back, you need this much room, and you have your numbers and letters. This is
Very
our stamp
cool.
ID kit. We also have our center punches. Center punches are very popular. With our center punches, wherever you hold them, that's where they're going to stay. You aren't going to lose any precision, even if you're doing a roll bar or any type of radius material. You can hold it, pull back a little bit. You can knock glazing off ceramic tile before you drill through it, or you can pull back a lot. You can mark Hardox 450 with it. You have complete control over how hard you want to hit in the material that you're using.
That's cool. Man, I didn't know about the ceramic tile either. I do a lot of that stuff on the side.
Oh yeah. It's perfect for that. And this is one of my favorites. It's our emergency rescue tool. It's a big center punch for taking out tempered glass for auto extrications and SWAT teams for SWAT standoffs. Any glass that's tempered, it's going to take out. Instead of using other punches, your hand goes through the window. With ours, you'd set it against the window, pull back, and take your window out, and your hands are never going through the glass.
Perfect.
This is also just a big center punch. We sell these to a lot of fabricators, and anytime you drill through any type of material, you can start your hole with this.
Very cool.
So this is another tool that we have. It's our impact driver. Comes with all the different tips and adapters, socket adapter, regular bit adapter. Just set that in there. If you have a strip or stuck screw, hammer that in a few times. This creates 5,000 pounds of punch to break the threads free. It's also going to start recoiling your fastener head. So a couple hits, and you can see how well that's in there. So our tips are harder than your fastener head, so we'll be able to recoin them and just give it that shock to break the threads free.
Okay.
Then you have to work to get it out of the screw.
That's cool.
So this is our impact driver, spring tool impact driver.
Very cool. So, all right, where can we find you? Where can we find these tools?
You can find us at springtools.com.
Okay. Yeah, bunch of different tool suppliers. That's awesome.
Absolutely. In many different countries.
All right, well, thanks, Brian, for showing me the Jimmy and showing me your awesome facility. Spring Tools you guys make an awesome product.
We appreciate hearing that.
So,
thanks a lot for coming out,
yeah.
and visiting Spring Tools, and checking out the Jimmy again.
Yeah,
it's nice seeing you down in Vegas, and then both around our own houses.
Yeah. Yep, very cool.
Yeah. Right on.
Yep, definitely go check out Spring Tools. Get yourself some nail sets. Get yourself some center punches. You won't be disappointed. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. We'll see you next time.